Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down. You should see a little lever here to pull and release. You could hear that pop sound. That was the safety releasing. And that's what the back looks like. You should have this cable attached. A little tightness. If you don't, you probably need to fish around back behind that carpet and plastic and get that all reattached. And most vehicles, you're going to find a little lever in the middle here. This one we're going to push and lift, push and lift. From here, this is what this looks like. Make sure there's no debris stuck in here. Maybe spray some WD-40 if it's stuck. Loosen it up a little bit. That's what the top looks like it was connected to. Make sure nothing's bent, nothing's out of place with the hood, so it's all straight, because that will cause issues otherwise. That's it. Hope that's helpful. You have a wonderful day.